Hey guys, welcome back to the control room. This is Marston. So in this video, I want to show you how to add text in Premiere. So if you're starting out with Premiere and you haven't worked with text yet, this video should put you right on track and show you the basics of what you need to be able to be confident working with text in Premiere Pro. So without wasting time, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you do eventually end up liking the video, please hit the thumbs up button. So right here, I have a clip. This is just a clip that I let me just play this back. This is just a clip that I downloaded from Pexels. I'll leave a link below, so if you want to download and work with that as well. So it's just a clip of I'm sure a sunset, and there's some flowers. Yeah. So to add text, it's actually a very simple process. Let me just see if you can just play it maybe up to here. So to add text, it's actually a very simple process. If you come here under the tools here, where it says type 2, just click on it, highlight it. Now I want you to pay particular attention to this part here. I will just come to the footage here and just click, and already a text object has been created. Now I want to type, let's say good text. Right, so pretty much that's it. That's how you add text. Now, all right, let's see what else we can do with this right now. We have the text highlighted here. Now that's the first way of adding text, by the way. Let me just delete this text right now. Just highlight it and delete it. Now the second method involves us using the Essential Graphics panel right here on the right side. If you can't see it, you come here where it says window and make sure that Essential Graphics is ticked. And when it's ticked, let's come here where it says browse. Now here you get to see pre-made templates. Let me just click and drag to the timeline. A template, unable to connect to it. We're going to just click OK. OK. All right, so this is a template, as you can see, that has been generated directly from Essential Graphics. So if you want maybe something that is stylized, for you to edit this one, you just highlight it and come here where it says image caption here. Just click here and come to the video here and just highlight it. I'm going to call this one this is good text, right? So let's just see if we can play that back. As you can see, that's how you work with templates. But for the sake of this video, we just want to work with text, not this whole pre-made templates. We just want to deal with text and see how that works. So let me just delete this and go back to here where it says T. I'm going to come to here to the video and go like this is text. Now I'm going to press Ctrl A and highlight it here, and making sure that the Essential Graphics panel is on the right side here. I want to change the font, right? So to do that, we come here where it says text here and just click this drop down arrow. As you can see, there are different kinds of fonts to be working with. Let me just use this one written maybe lemon milk. As you can see, the font has already changed. Let me just highlight it again. So for me to increase the font, I'll come here, just underneath here where it says 64, just click and drag that. And for me to be able to center this footage, I'll come here where it says align and transform, just click center. So to make sure that it's dead center. So this is how we add text. Let me see if we can just highlight it, and maybe if you want to change the fill, we come here where it says appearance and choose the appropriate color. Let me see if we can now I want to find something that can contrast the background, which is orange. Maybe something lighter, maybe something close to white, right? I'm sure white will do. Let's just leave the white as there. So it says this is text. Now if we come here under the timeline, let's just play that back. As you can see, the text, for us to be able to change the duration of the text, you simply come here, let's highlight it and just come to the end here we can either lengthen this or decrease the length. So I'm just gonna decrease the length, and we can also move it on the timeline, maybe to the position that we want this text to begin. All right, and it disappears off frame. If you come back again, perhaps the next question you can ask yourself is how do I move text on the video itself? You can highlight the text object on the timeline and come here where it says transform. You can click to the left, click to the right. You can go up by clicking and dragging to the left, and clicking and dragging to the right. You can also go down. So this is how you move text within when you're working with text in a video. Now you can also use this selection tool here. If you come or press V on your keyboard, just click it and go to the text, and you can move it to whichever position you want. So pretty much that's working with text. Let's see if we can just center it again. Like I said, you just go to here, align and transform. Just click vertical and horizontal center, and it's dead centered. So this is how you work with text in Adobe Premiere. I'm sure I've covered maybe the basics that you need. We've changed the color, we've positioned the text, and okay, let's also check out the other options here. Let me just come to the press T, click, highlight all, want to go to the essential graphics layer here and see what are the options that we have. We can also click underneath here to add a stroke. As you can see, a black stroke has been added. You can also change the color of the stroke. For instance, let's see if we can make ours yellow. Just click and put yellow there. If I highlight this text, the text becomes yellow. You can also add a background as well to the text. This will probably work maybe when you have a lower third. You want to create something that mimics a lower third or something. So with the background, you can also increase the background. Just come here, you see where it says 00, just come, click and highlight. As you can see, the background is now bigger than the text. So pretty much this is the basics of working with text. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the Control Room tutorials. I would really want to get to 1,000 subscribers, and if you can help me out, that would be great. If this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, see you in the next video.